Good morning. So today we're going to work with 11.2, which is still going to be solving proportions, but they're going to be getting a little bit more difficult. So it says when multiple variables are in each proportion, we may have to use factoring and FOILing to solve. Remember, we're solving these, meaning we're getting x equals a number at the end. So using cross products to solve, just like we did in 11.1, x times x equals 4 parentheses x minus 1. Definitely something that you have to make sure you're doing, keeping those in parentheses, not just tacking on the 4 to only the x. That leaves you with x squared equals 4x minus 4. Okay, so looking at this, there's really not much you can do because you have an x squared, you have an x, and you have a 4. So nothing is like, nothing is the same. So what you're going to do here is you're going to put it in standard form. And standard form means everything is on one side of the equal sign. So you subtract 4x and you add 4 over to this side. So it's x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Now, hopefully you realize that that's ABC, 1, negative 4, positive 4. Multiply 1 and 4. What two numbers give me negative 4 when I add them, but positive 4 when I multiply them? Negative 2 and negative 2. Put it over 1x, and you get x minus 2 times x minus 2. Remember, we're solving these, so equals 0. X equals 2. Remember, you only have to write this one once because they're both the same exact number. So we're mixing a lot of things that we did in 10.4 and 10.5 with factoring, coming down to the solving. So let's try it again. So we'll cross multiply. We're left with x parentheses x plus 6. Again, super important to keep those separate. And then they're set equal to negative 9 over here. Negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. Distribute x squared plus 6x equals negative 9. Again, I want to put that in standard form, so I just add the 9 over. And I'm left with x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Remember, the 6x and the 9 can't be combined because they're not like terms. So then I'm going to ABC it. What two numbers add to 6, multiply to 9? The answer is 3 and 3. So then I put it over 1x, x plus 3, x plus 3 equals 0. So x equals negative 3. Remember, it's always the opposite sign. All right, number 3. Set up very similar. We're left with x squared, jumping ahead of myself. X times x plus 1 equals 12. X squared plus x equals 12. Subtract 12, x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0. Again, that's the goal, to get everything on one side and then 0 on the other. 1, 1, negative 12. So what two numbers add up to be positive 1, multiply to be negative 12? I believe it is negative 3 and positive 4. Both go under 1x, and you are left with x minus 3, x plus 4 equals 0. So now you have two distinct answers. X equals positive 3, x equals negative 4. And that is 11.2. Good luck.